My name is Vivianne Bendemacher and I'm the co-founder and managing director of Techionista Academy. I am thrilled to announce something groundbreaking. Our brand new career accelerator, the Microsoft Certified Data Analyst track with hands-on AI. At Techionista, we are on a mission to close the gender gap in IT and technology. With over 1,000 women trained and thriving in data and AI roles, we're super proud, but not yet satisfied. Why? Because the percentage of women in tech is dwindling, and AI is reshaping the job landscape. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. And here's the deal. It's not robots we're competing with. It's people empowered by AI. We at Techionista Academy are determined to ensure women aren't just participants but leaders in this new era. Introducing the Career Accelerator, a self-paced journey to master data and AI, culminating in the official Microsoft Data Analyst certification, with all the data and AI skills at cost. Beyond the virtual classroom, we're offering live career skills training and exclusive in-person meetup for networking and real-world challenges. Choose your pace, 7 weeks full-time or 15 weeks part-time, all for just €1,500, VAT included. The journey begins on April 9th. Don't miss this chance to future-proof your career at an unbeatable price. Join us at Techionista Academy and transform AI from a challenge to your superpower. Enroll today and let's shape the future together.